G'day folks, Boydo here from Boydo's Tech Talk, and leading on from my unboxing video of the Kreyos Meteor Smartwatch, I'm going to show you how to unlock or activate the smartwatch without the smartphone app. This is perhaps more critical for those of us who only have Windows phones. There are apps for iOS and Android, but they are a bit hit and miss at the moment. A lot of people are a bit unhappy and critical of those applications. But you can unlock the smartwatch and still pair it with your phone to get some sort of base functionality going. So it's going to take 5 key presses here. It's going to be bottom left, top right, bottom right, top right, bottom right. And each time we press the correct key, we're going to see a number increment on the end of this pin here. So I'll just show you now, and I've only got my Panasonic battery here because I'm charging it up. So let's give it a go. Bottom left, top right, bottom right, top right, bottom right. There we go. So we are now activated. We can use this as we please. So what I'll do is I will just pair this now with my Lumia 1520. So let me just unlock that. Okay, I'm already on the Bluetooth screen, and you can see that it's appeared at the bottom there with the 2777, which matches my particular device. So I'll just pair that, and you can see I'm connected with the voice now, which is awesome. So let's give Cortana a try, and so this will test out the microphone and the speaker, which is on the top here. That's the speaker grill. So, and that's the microphone there at the bottom. So let's give this a go. So the way that you usually activate voice on the Kreyos is you give the bottom left button a long push and then let it go, and that should activate Cortana. So I'll just get that into shot there. Okay, so I'll just stand back a bit so it's just to prove that the Kreyos is picking up my voice and not the phone. What's the weather like in Sydney today?
The forecast in Sydney shows there will be mostly cloudy skies with a high of 17 and a low of 10.
Okay, so you can hear the speaker quality there. Not fantastic. What I will do though is, let's just have a look at the speaker settings. So I'll just show you there. Settings. And if I... Where's the volume? Volume is on 8. So let's go in... Okay, just decided to time out there. Volume 8. Okay, so what if I turn that down just a smidge? Okay, and we're now on 5. I'll give it another go. So I'll just exit out. Okay. What's the weather like in Melbourne today? Okay, so you couldn't really hear that at all, so I've got to crank the volume back up. So back into settings we go. So really it seems as if anything but maybe the top 2, let's try it on 7. Alright, and I'll give it another shot. What's the weather like in Hobart today?
The forecast in Hobart shows there will be clear conditions with a high of 17 and a low of 7.
Okay, so it's still distorted. I might prefer to have it on maximum volume rather than not being able to hear it. So I'll just crank it back up then to 8. Which you can see there, and I'll give it another shot. What appointments do I have tomorrow? Alright, didn't get me that time. I'll give it another shot. Come on. What appointments do I have tomorrow?
Tomorrow, at 4:30 a.m.
Okay, so the speaker on the Kreyos is woeful, absolutely terrible. But the microphone seems to work fine, which is a bit odd, but there you go. So that's it pretty much for the moment. If you want me to try anything else out on the Kreyos Meteor Smartwatch, just let me know below. If you've got any comments, questions, feedback, etc., put those below as well. If you found this video handy, just make sure you give it a thumbs up. But as always, thanks for watching.